channel Maths and Methods Academy. Today we are going to find square root of given algebraic expressions with the help of division method. So our first question in this case is (4 plus 25x squared minus 12x minus 24x cube plus 16x4. In this expression we have x occurring many times with different powers. So what we will do, we will arrange this expression in descending powers of x. So we will write it like 16x raised to power 4 minus 24x raised to power 3 plus 25x raised to power 2 minus 12x plus 4. And now after this we will go for the division method. 16x4 minus 24x cubed plus 25x squared minus 12x plus 4 . 16x4 is a square of 4x raised to power 2. So when we multiply 4x raised to power 2 with 4x raised to power 2, we get 16x raised to power 4. We subtract it and it cancels. Now we have to write double of 4x squared over here. So double of 4x squared is 8x squared. We bring down next two terms. Now we have to multiply at 8x squared with a term which will give us minus 24x cube, which is obviously minus 3x, and same minus 3x we will write over here. Now we will multiply minus 3x with 8x squared minus 3x. So minus 3x into 8x squared will come out to be 24x cube minus, and minus 3 into minus 3, minus 3x into minus 3x is plus 9x squared. So we will subtract, minus with cancel with plus 24x cube, and 25x squared minus 9x will be 16x squared. We will bring down the next two terms. Now again we will write double of this equation, this expression over here. Double of 4x squared is 8x squared, and double of minus 3x is minus 6x. Now we have to multiply 8x squared with a term which will give us 16x squared. Obviously it is 2 plus 2, so we will write here plus 2, and same plus 2 we will write over here as well. Let's multiply this plus 2 with these three terms. So 2 multiplied by 8x squared is 16x squared. 2 multiplied by minus 6x is minus 12x, and 2 into 2 is 4. So when we subtract, all signs will reverse and they all will cancel, and we are left with 0, which means our square root is 4x squared minus 3x plus 2, of course with plus minus. We'll write it here. Therefore square root of the given expression is, let's check what it is, 4x squared minus 3x plus 2, 4x squared minus 3x plus 2 of course with plus minus. So this is our answer. Let's move on to our second question. Which is slightly different as it is involving fractions. Okay, the question is x squared over y squared. Wait, let us write it straight away at the place where we have to do it. X squared over y squared minus 10x over y plus 27 minus 10 into y over x plus y squared over x squared. Okay, we will apply our same method. X squared over y squared is actually a square of x over y. So we will write here x over y and we will multiply with the same to get x squared over y squared. So plus will cancel with minus. Now we will bring down the next two terms, minus 10 x over y plus 27. We will write double of this term over here. So it will be 2 into x over y. Now we have to multiply 2 into x over y with such a number which will give us minus 10 x over y or some term near to it. So let's see, if we multiply it with minus 5, we get minus 10 x over y, and whatever we have written here in the quotient we have to write down the same here as well. Now we multiply minus 5 with these two. So minus 5 into 2x over y will be minus 10x over y, and minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 25. Now when we subtract this, signs will reverse, this will cancel, and 27 minus 25 is 2. We will bring down the next two terms, 10y over x plus y squared over x squared. Now we will take again double of this and bring it over here. So double will be 2x over y, and double of minus 5 is minus 10. Now we have to multiply 2x over y with the term which will give us 2. Obviously it will be reverse of x over y, which will be y over x. Same we have to write here, y over x, and that will also come over here. So when we multiply with y over x, we will get, let's do some rough work. We have 2x over y. When we multiply it with y over x, y cancels with y, x cancel with x. So we get here 2. Then when we multiply y over x with minus 10, we get minus 10y over x. And when we multiply y over x with y over x, we get y squared over y over x squared. So when we subtract it, signs will reverse. This 2 cancel with this 2, this cancel with this one, this cancels with this one. So we are left with 0. Therefore, the square root of the given expression is, let us see, x over y minus 5, x over y minus 5 plus y over x, of course with plus minus. Now we move on to our last question, the third one. This one also involves fractions. So it is like 4 x squared over y squared plus 8x over y plus 16 plus 12 into y over x plus 9 into y squared over x squared. Okay, let's do it. Okay, 4x squared over yx squared is a complete square of 2x over y, which we will write over here, 2x over y, and the same will go in the quotient, 2x over y. When we multiply both, we will get 4x squared over y squared. So when we subtract it, sign will reverse, it will cancel. Now, as we have been doing earlier, we will put double of this one over here, which means 2 into 2x over y, it will come 4x over y. We will bring next two terms over here, 8x over y plus 16. Now we have to multiply 4x over y with some term which will give us 8x over y, which is obviously 2 in this case. We will write plus 2 in the quotient, and the same plus 2 will come over here as well. Now we multiply this 2 with these two. So 2 into 4x over y is 8x over y, and 2 into 2 is 4. When we subtract 8x over y cancels with 8x over y, 16 minus 4 is 12. We will bring down the next two terms, 12y over x plus 9y square over x square. Now again we will take double of this and write it over here. So we have 2x over y, double of 2x over y is 4x over y. Then we have plus 2, double of plus 2 is plus 4. Now we have to multiply 4x over y with a term which will give us 12. So obviously it is 3y over x. So we will write here 3y over x, and the same 3y over x will be written here. Let's multiply now all these three terms with 3y over x. So when we multiply 3y over x with 4x over y, 4 into 12, 3 into 4, 12. Then 3y over x into 4, it will be 12y over x, and 3y over x into 3y over x is 9y squared over x squared. So when we subtract it, all these terms will cancel with each other. And we are left with a 0. So our square root is 2x over y. Therefore the square root of the given expression is 2x over y plus 2 plus 3y over x, of course with plus minus. So this is our answer. So that's all for now. Please subscribe this channel, and until the next time, take care and bye bye.